How to add link to TikTok bio. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the TikTok application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the profile option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the edit option you see there. Further, you will see the option for links in the interface that you will be led to. So, tap on the links option you see there and then tap on the URL option you see there. And now, go ahead and in the text box there, type in your link that you want to add, or you can also simply paste the link. Once done, tap on the save option in order to save the changes that you just made, and with this, as you can see, the link has been added. So, this is how you can add link to bio in TikTok. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.